Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Framer templates. First, navigate to the Framer website and explore the template gallery. You will find hundreds of professionally designed options, ranging from portfolios to e-commerce sites. Each template is fully customizable, allowing you to quickly launch your project. This approach saves you dozens of hours compared to building from scratch, providing a robust foundation for your creative vision. Once you are in the template gallery, take your time to browse the diverse collection. You can filter by categories like portfolio, blog, or business to narrow your search. After selecting a template that aligns with your vision, simply click Duplicate to add it to your Framer account. This creates a personal copy, ready for your unique modifications. Remember, every element is editable, giving you complete creative control. Now for the fun part, making the template truly yours. Start by replacing all placeholder text and images with your actual content. You can easily upload your own media files. Next, dive into the Style panel to customize colors, fonts, and spacing to perfectly reflect your brand. Framer also makes it simple to add engaging interactions, like hover effects or scroll animations, enhancing the user experience with just a few clicks. Before going live, always preview your project on various screen sizes to ensure it looks perfect everywhere. Framer offers excellent responsive design tools. When you are ready, publishing is incredibly straightforward. You can connect your own custom domain name or use a free Framer subdomain. With just one click, your beautifully designed website will be live and accessible to the world, ready to share your vision.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.